Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we'll see how to configure Group Policy Central Store in Windows Server 2019. So guys, before we proceed to our lab environment, let us understand what is the Group Policy Central Store. So the Group Policy Central Store is a central location to store all the group policy template files. This eliminates the needs of admin to load and open group policy template files on systems using a managed group policy. The group policy central store has lot many benefits, like it ensures all the admins are using the same group policy template files. It loads the same template file from any computer. It makes easier to manage and update template files by having only one location to update. It also reduces the template files in the sys volume and reduces the replication traffic between domain controllers. So guys, now let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can configure central store for group policy. Okay, so now we are on our lab environment and you can see this is my domain controller and I have provided the static IP to my domain controller, which is 192.168.29.8. So friends, first of all, let's see the current status of group policy management. So we'll click on tools and now we'll open group policy management. I will maximize this and I will expand domains. I will click on Kaptechpro.online. Now we'll select default domain policy. We'll click on OK. We'll right click on it and we'll click on edit. It will open group policy management editor console. We'll maximize it. Click on policies and let me pull it over here. And you can see in the administrative templates, the policy definition admx files retrieved from the local computer. Okay, so now we'll close this group policy management editor console. We will minimize group policy management as well. Now let me show you policy definition folder, which is locally stored on local computer from where it is getting admx and adml files. For that, I will open File Explorer. I will open C drive. I will click on Windows. We'll open Policy Definitions folder. This is a folder which stores admx and all adml files on the local computer. So this is the existing settings which we have on our domain controller. Now we will set up a central store for our group policy object on this local computer. So first of all, we have to copy this policy definitions folder from our local computer. So we'll click on Windows. So this is our folder. We'll right click on it and we'll copy it. Now we'll click on search and we'll open run. Now in run, we'll enter // and this is my domain name Kaptechpro.online. We'll click on OK. Now we'll open my sys volume folder. Now we'll double click on my Kaptechpro.online folder. Now we'll double click on policies and here we have to paste our policy definition folder. We'll right click on it and now we'll click on paste. So you can see our policy definition folder is successfully copied. Okay friends, so we have successfully pasted our policy definition. In future, if you want to update admx or adml file, you simply need to copy and paste it over here. You can copy this policy definition using network path. You can simply click on this PC, double click on C drive, open program files. You can click on Windows. Now you can search for sysvol. Here is my folder and you can click on Kaptechpro.online and in the policies you can see the same folder is there. You can choose the network path or you can go inside the folder and you can find for the policy definitions. So we have successfully configured group policy central store. Now we have to check group policy definition files are loading from central store or from local computer. So friends, now let me minimize it. Let me minimize this folder as well. Now we'll click on tools. We'll click on group policy management. I will expand Kaptechpro.online and we'll right click on default domain policy. We'll click on edit. We will expand group policy management editor console as well. We'll expand policies. Let me stretch it And here you can see the message now. Policy definition ADMX files are retrieved from the central store. Now it's loading and retrieving the files from central store, so we can open any computer which is on network and it will retrieve the files from the central store. So friend, that's how we configure group policy central store.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.